Good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Avisha Mathur. Besides being an ophthalmologist, I am an energy healer. Today, I am going to talk about energy healing. What is energy? Energy is the language of universe. It can neither be created nor be destroyed. According to theory of quantum physics, the matter is made up of both waves and particles. Nowadays, even in our modern medical practice, we are using diagnostic imaging devices like MRI, CAT scan, PET scan, which can read energy spectra emitted by our body's tissues and organs. As new advanced treatments coming up, we are using lasers and radio frequency waves. All of these are based on theory of quantum physics. Therefore, our body has an energy body attached to us. What is energetic communication? It is our primary method of communicating in this universe. It is mainly based on exchange of energy. Our words are only a vehicle we use to achieve this energetic exchange. Studies show that we respond 90% to energy on which we communicate and 10% on words we hear. All our thoughts, feelings, and emotions create vibrations which are very subtle but can be perceived by others. Example, telepathic communication. When we think of someone and that person gives us a call or shows up at the door. Why are we facing communication problem? In our modern lifestyle, we have lost awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and emotions. We have closed doors to our awareness and instead rely on external devices. This has created a mismatch between our thoughts and words. It all results in energy blocks which get locked in our bodies and mind. Human mind is divided into conscious mind, preconscious mind, subconscious mind, and an unconscious mind. Conscious mind is mainly responsible for problem solving capacity. It is the main seat of our personal identity, while subconscious mind stores the stimulus response tapes derived from instincts and learned experiences. What is energy healing? Energy healing helps in restoring the balance and flow of energy throughout body, mind, and soul. It can be used with other medical practices for holistic well-being of an individual. By releasing these blocks, it stimulates the body's inherent ability to heal itself. The main aim is to reprogram our subconscious mind and heal our inner child. Various issues which can be dealt with energy healing are physical issues like pain, migraine, emotional issues like relationship, mental health issues like depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder. I would like all of you as a doctor to be aware of energy healing modalities so that we can give a choice to our patients, family members, or anyone to take up a session and help in contributing to their well-being. Due to a lot of day-to-day stress, knowingly and unknowingly, our bodies and mind go through a lot of unwanted changes, which results in various lifestyle diseases, and they reflect on our physical body after some time. Energy healing modalities available today like Reiki, EFT, Radical, Access bars and body process, Lama Fera healing, light key healing, etc. What are the benefits of energy healing? As these energetic blocks are released from cellular memory, we experience calmness and clarity in our situation, deeper sleep, boost our immune system, relief from pain, depression, anxiety. There is overall sense of well-being and improved relationship with one's own self and with others. Do you all know that 90% of our thoughts, feelings, and emotions which we go through in our minds are not even ours? Yes, they belong to someone else and we pick them up. One simple tool from Access Consciousness which I would like to share here is being in a question of who does this belong to. Just close your eyes and think of any thought pressing in your mind. It could be any feeling, thought, emotion like sadness, anger, anything. Just keep on asking and being in a question of who does this belong to, and you will find that eventually it disappears. Thank you. I would very grateful to all of you. Thank you.